Hey guys, it's Misty with Mystic Gigi. Today we're going to be doing a Dutch pour, and it's a pretty interesting one. My background, my base color is going to be teal, the first color that I showed, and then I'm doing actually two canvases, but I did one and I didn't record it, but then when I did the second one, I recorded it. So you'll see both of them at the end, but you don't see me actually do both of them. You only see me make one of them. So, um, also, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. It is free for you and it helps me out. And if you're a return subscriber, thank you so much for your guys' support. It keeps me going. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you need any help on these kind of techniques, on any of the ones that I show on my videos, please reach out. I'm more than happy to help. Don't forget to check out the description box below. I have discount codes and links for mostly the stuff, all the stuff that I use in the videos. So I will let you guys watch and let me know what you think in the comments. I'll be right back. Thanks, guys. Okay, guys, the second one is done. So look at those two. I'll show you a side by side when I get done with the close up. But look at those. I think it turned out amazing. It was just simple couple colors compared to my norm with my 12 colors or more. But I love the way it turned out. The background color is just perfect against those other colors. It just works and it pops and it, oh, look at those cells. And please let me know below in the comments what you think of it. If you like it, if you want to see another one like it in with a different background color and you guys choose the colors, like I'm down for any challenges. I like them. So let me know if you have any questions. If you are a return subscriber, thank you so much for your guys' comments. They literally keep me doing this every day. So thank you so much. I appreciate it. And if you need any help, let me know. Don't forget to check out the description box below. I have discount codes down there for ColourArte and KS Resin and different links and just things for like the blow dryer I use, the little blower I use, just different things that I use in my videos. And if you do have a question about something that I use that I don't have listed, please let me know. I'm more than happy to help. All right, guys, and if you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It's free and it helps me out. And until next time, guys, I hope you enjoyed, and let me know if you're also um, in interested in purchasing any of my paintings. They are for sale as long as they're available. So let me know. I'm here to help, and my email is in the description box below. Thanks, guys. I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye for now.